Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send crypto on the SafePal app step by step. First, open the SafePal app on your phone. Once the app is open, select the wallet you want to use. Tap on Send. You'll now need to enter the recipient's wallet address. You can paste the address or scan the recipient's QR code if available. Next, enter the amount of crypto you want to send. Before continuing, carefully check the recipient address, token, network, and amount. This is very important because crypto transactions are generally irreversible. Also check the network and transaction fee displayed by SafePal before confirming the transaction. Once you've checked everything, tap Next/Confirm and complete the required security verification. After the transaction is submitted, you can check the transaction history in SafePal to see its status. Remember, never enter or share your recovery phrase or private key when sending crypto. You only need the recipient's appropriate wallet address and the required transaction details. And that's it. Now you know how to send crypto using the SafePal app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SafePal tutorials, app guides, and tech tips.